Okay, you've got 2 cos squared, 22.2 minus 1. If I put theta here, that is the rule for cos, for double angle. It's actually this one. It's cos double the angle. So which means I can write that as cos double the angle in brackets 2 times 22.5. We knew it was 45. Come on. We've already done this one. We know the answer is root 2 all over the 2. So that one is done as well. Remember, the sine one is this. It's sine times cos. It has a sine times cos. It has a 2. Then when we go to number 7, if we're to pretend to put a theta, is the rule for cos, the second one. 1 minus 2 sine squared. That means it's going to be cos double the angle. I must double the angle. So it becomes cos, when I double 15 is 30. Cos of 30 is going to be root of 3 all over the 2. If you're not, there it is, it's still on screen there. There you go, on a calculator. So there we go, that one is out. Next one, we're going to number 8. Number 8, it's similar to that one, almost. But remember, look at this one. Let me show you something. Since you're dealing with cos, when you're dealing with this, the cos starts first. Look, cos 2 theta. You're going to write the cos appearing first. Look at the next one. Cos 2 theta. The cos always starts. But if you got cos 2 theta, if you're going to use the sine goes right at the end. All right, so I know it's this rule. I need to put the 2 cos squared first. So this one I need to rearrange. So when I rearrange that, I'm going to have minus 2 cos squared of 15. The 1 is plus. Now I know the minus is right in the middle, so I need to take out negative as common vector. Then I've got 2 cos squared of 15 minus 1. So now this one, you know, it's a rule. It's the one we just did here above. It looks like that one above it, number 6. So that means we have minus 1 cos double the angle. The angle was 15, it becomes 30. All right, we've already seen that one. It's going to be minus cos of 30 is root 3 divided by the 2. That will be the answer for that one. All right, now we go to the next one. From number 8, we're going to number 9. Remember, I said when you're dealing with, you're doing the double angle for cos, the sine will come later. So that one, I know it's this one. I need to rearrange. Sine must be number msila, but there must be a minus between them. So when I rearrange that, the 1 is negative. So I've got negative 1 plus 2 sine squared of 15. But the minus should be in the middle. So I take out common factor of negative. Then I've got 1 minus 2 sine squared of 15. So what's in the brackets? I know it's cos double. I must double the angle. The angle was 15, it becomes 30. Good. So it's the same thing. I've got minus is going to be root of 3 divided by 2. There we go. All right. This will help you to, when you sit down and watch this video, they will help you to think smart. So that one, there are no pluses or minus. That must be the rule for sine, is that one there. But the problem is this. Let's put that rule down. So I've got sine of 15. I am multiplying it by cos of 15. Now the problem is that what's missing is the 2. If I had a 2, let's go back here, you would say it's sine double the angle. So what do? Bring back the 2. In other words, put the 2 and then you divide it by 2 again. To mean it's the same thing as if the 2 was not there, you could cancel. Or one way to do it, put the 2, instead of dividing, put the 2 upside down outside. It's the same thing because this cancel, you didn't change anything. So you have a half. So what's inside is double now, is that sign. So you have half sine double the angle is 30. So you already have the half, but sine of 30 is half. Then you end up with a quarter, 1/4. That's one way of doing it. Well, if you want to do it this way, you could have come back here and say, well, let me get rid of the 2 here. That means you're dividing by 2 here. You're also dividing by 2 there. So you cancel the 2. Then you say, oh, if I've got sine theta without the 2, it's sine double angle divided by 2. Then you could have come and said that rule that I have, it's actually sine double the angle, which is 30, but I must remember to divide it by 2. So you're having half at the top, and then you're going to divide it by 2. You must get a quarter. There we go. 1/2. Then I'm going to write divided by 2. Is it 1/4? Same answer. 1/4. You could have done it that way. All right, that was number 10. So it's another 5 questions. I make a video for that one separate.